How to add music to Canva projects on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design you want to add music to, or create a new project by clicking Create a Design button and selecting Videos. Once the project opens in the canvas, you will see the Add Audio button. Click on it, or you can go to Audio from the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type the music you want, such as background music, upbeat tracks, or relaxing tunes. Canva provides a large library of free and premium audio tracks that you can use in your project. You can also record your own voiceover or generate AI voice. Once you find the track you like, click on it or drag it directly onto your design timeline or canvas. You will see the audio track appear in the timeline at the bottom of your screen, where you can adjust the start and end points, trim the music, or loop it if needed. You can also upload your own music by clicking on Uploads, then Upload Media and selecting an MP3 or audio file from your PC. Once uploaded, drag your music into your project just like any other track. After adding music, preview your project by clicking the play button to make sure the audio matches your design and timing. You can adjust the volume or move the track along the timeline for perfect synchronization. Now you know how to add music to Canva projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.